How to fix a blurry profile picture on WhatsApp. So if you want to fix a blurry profile picture on your WhatsApp, then what you need to do is first you need to check your internet connection. Your internet connection must be strong. So check it. Once you've checked your internet connection, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is open up your WhatsApp application, go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and tap on settings. Now once you're under your settings, you'll have the profile picture, right? So you just need to simply tap on the profile picture that you have and go with the camera option and make sure that you've uploaded a high resolution image while uploading your profile picture, because if you've not, then you will not have the HD image and you will have the blurry profile picture. So make sure that you've uploaded your HD profile picture while uploading. And if that's not the case, then what you need to do is you just need to simply tap and hold on to that WhatsApp application, go with the app info and scroll down. Now tap on storage and cache and tap on clear cache. And after that, you just need to simply go and restart your device. And after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix a blurry profile picture on your WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.